Well, tonight, Memphis is still working to heal from the back-to-back tragedies that we've dealt with over the past couple of weeks. The violent event over these weeks have just basically ripped apart families and left so many in our community shaken.
And quite frankly, afraid, and deservedly so. They include the kidnapping and murder of Liza Fletcher while she was jogging, as well as last week's deadly shooting spree across the Bluff City. Fox 13 health reporter Mandy Rock is live in Memphis. Mandy, a community prayer is happening right now. I know you talked to a social worker about how this repeated trauma can affect everybody's mental health.
Yeah, and she said it can be very hard for people to feel safe after the fear and stress our community has endured over the past couple weeks. That's why right now dozens of people are gathering here at Mississippi Boulevard Christian Church to grieve and to help people who may be struggling.
I think during tragedies, it also brings people together.
Two tragedies less than a week apart. First, a jogger kidnapped and killed on September 2nd near the University of Memphis. 5 days later, a man went on a mobile shooting spree across the Mid-South, killing 3 and injuring 3 more.
Just randomly killing people and stuff like that, it was hard to deal with.
Personally, especially as a young woman, I found it a little bit difficult, and I'm attending the University of Memphis.
The violence has ripped away many people's sense of safety and security.
It's understandable for folks to be on edge and to be fed up with the continual violence and frustration of that continually happening.
Melissa Donahue was a clinical social worker for Baptist Memorial Healthcare. After a tragic event, she said it's important to give yourself time to grieve and process your emotions. If possible, try to stay on your regular routine.
Children and family members feed off of how we're feeling. And so, if we are throwing a change in, some of those routines, then that throws them for a loop.
Donahue also suggests talking about what happened with your loved ones or a counselor. Though it will take time to heal, she said recognizing the good happening in our city can help.
Isolating that incident and saying, okay, this is what it is. This is sad and terrible, but there's been so many other good things happening that we don't let him overshadow the good that's happening.
And Donahue said you should never be ashamed to ask for help if you need it. She also said it's a good idea to check in on your friends and family to see how they are holding up during this time. And we've also posted a resource guide on how you can deal with mental health struggles on our website, fox13memphis.com. Daryl.
Thank you, Mandy. That's Fox 13's Mandy Rock live tonight.